Hey, how's it going, everyone? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing you a dish that is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Today we are going to be making spicy tuna tartare tostadas with chipotle mayo. All right, so I know it sounds complicated, not to mention is a bit of a tongue twister, but I promise you it's incredibly simple and you're going to love it. All we're doing was taking sushi grade tuna, accompanied by some other ingredients, and paired with crunchy tostada shells and drizzled with smoky chipotle mayo. I promise you, you are going to love this. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, we're going to start by chopping up our tuna. I have a pound of sushi grade tuna, and we're just going to slice up into small chunks. All right, we're just going to set that aside. Next thing we're going to do is finely slice up 2 green onions. Next thing we're going to do is take half of a cucumber and finely dice that up. All right, set that aside. Next thing we're going to do is slice up an avocado. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make our chipotle mayo, and it's really, really simple actually. I'm just going to go in with about a half a cup of mayo, and then to that we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of adobo sauce from some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and we're going to just give that a mix. Set that in the fridge to chill for a little bit. Alright, as you see we have our diced tuna transferred to a bowl. To that we're going to add our cucumber, our green onion, two tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of sriracha. Alright, now we're just going to fold everything together, and it's important that you're really careful. We're not over mixing. We don't want to mush up the tuna. We just want to fold everything in gently. Alright, now it's time to assemble everything. We have our tostada right here. And we're just going to spoon our tuna mixture over it. Next, we're going to add a layer of our diced avocado. Oops. Then we're going to add our chipotle mayo. We're going to add a bit of cilantro that I've chopped up. And we're going to finish it up with some lime juice. And there you have it. That is our spicy tuna tartare tostadas with chipotle mayo. Cheers, y'all.